Welcome to our channel today. We are diving deep into how to apply for an ITIN number for banking purposes, step by step. Welcome to our channel today. We are diving deep into how to apply for an ITIN number for banking purposes, step by step. If you are an individual who needs an ITIN for banking in the United States, but do not qualify for a Social Security number, this guide is perfect for you. The Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, or ITIN, is issued by the IRS to help you fulfill your tax obligations and open certain financial accounts. First, determine if you actually need an ITIN. Typically, this number is for non-resident aliens or others who need a U.S. taxpayer identification number but cannot get a Social Security number. Next, gather your documents. You will need proof of your identity and foreign status. Common documents include your passport, national identification card, U.S. visa, or birth certificate. Now fill out the W-7 form, which is the official IRS application for an ITIN. Make sure you complete it accurately and legibly to avoid delays. After completing the W-7 form, you must submit it with your supporting documentation. You have several options here. You can mail these documents directly to the IRS ITIN operation, or you can apply through an IRS-authorized certifying acceptance agent or at a designated IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. When mailing your documents, keep your originals safe and consider sending them via a traceable mail service. Once submitted, the IRS will process your application, which can take up to 7 weeks or longer during peak times. After review, if approved, you will receive your ITIN via mail. Use your ITIN to open a bank account by providing it to the financial institution, along with other required identification and paperwork. Remember, your ITIN is mainly for tax purposes, so it does not grant work authorization or Social Security benefits, but it can help you access essential banking services in the U.S. Following these steps carefully will ensure a smooth application process for your ITIN number, so you can manage your finances confidently. Don't forget to prepare your documents, carefully fill the form accurately, and choose your submission method wisely. Thank you for watching, and before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides like this one.